Wash your face with Head and Shoulders? You want me to wash my face with Head and Shoulders shampoo? Apparently, I have fungal acne going like all around my face too. So everyone's telling me to use Head and Shoulders as a face wash. Head and Shoulders is antifungal, so it helps fungal acne. You guys better not be trolling me because I'm actually gonna do this. Just start massaging it in. I think you're supposed to massage it into your skin and then leave it on for a few minutes. It's the worst on my forehead, so I'm really gonna focus right here. We're gonna leave this on for 10 minutes. Guys, my face is kind of tangling a little bit, but we're just gonna power through. Okay, I just washed it off and this is what my skin looks like. I think I'm gonna try it again before bed and then I'm gonna wake up tomorrow morning and see if it got any better. Good morning. This is what my skin looks like the next day. On this side of my face, there's a lot less bumps. Forehead has been the hardest place for me to clear up. Because my forehead hasn't cleared up yet, I'm gonna give this one more day and update you guys tomorrow. You guys, it worked. Look at my skin.
That's good.
She's healing. I cannot believe that this actually worked. Head and Shoulders cleared my skin in 3 days. Thanks to whoever commented this, you're a lifesaver. Wash your face with Head and Shoulders? You want me to wash my face with Head and Shoulders shampoo? Apparently, I have fungal acne going like all around my face too. So everyone's telling me to use Head and Shoulders as a